Danielle and I'm part of the partnerships team at Incubeta. Incubeta are a global digital marketing agency working across paid media. We work on channels such as paid search, programmatic display, paid social and CSS, all on a pure performance basis. The performance model allows us to truly align with our clients' goals, and as we front all of the media spend ourselves, we're set to spend our money like their money. This allows us to drive growth, efficiency and innovation. As we work across paid search, paid social, display and CSS, we can build out campaigns at all layers of the funnel. Especially with display and social, we can build out both prospecting and retargeting campaigns from the off. We can also integrate dynamic creative early on in campaigns on a pure CPA basis. Some ways that we prospect and target audiences are through contextual targeting and lookalike audiences. Within our search and shopping approach, we can use both branded and non-branded key terms and have full keyword coverage. With our paid search proposition, we can work on a really flexible basis. With some advertisers, we can work across secondary markets or secondary engines. As we come out of the pandemic, key areas of focus and key industries we want to target are travel and retail. Within retail, we are experts, and across CSS alone, we have over 500 advertisers that we work with. Some of the key events to keep in mind during this spring are Valentine's Day, Easter, Mother's Day, and of course we're approaching wedding season, and as the weather's getting nicer, gardens are a key focus. If you're keen to work with us, then just reach out to us at ukpartnerships.com or reach out to your AM who will be able to get in contact with us. To work with advertisers, we usually require them to have at least 50,000 monthly users, a conversion rate of at least 1.5 and a mid to high AOV. But we can be very flexible, so if you're keen to work with us and don't reach these requirements, then do let us know and we'll let you know what we can do. In order to work with advertisers, we also do require an intro call unless we're looking at getting live on CSS, which is more plug in and play. So just be aware that we will need to have an intro call at some stage and get to know you a little bit more. I hope you all have a very successful 2022 and I look forward to hearing from you.